This presentation introduces Whittaker's five-kingdom classification, categorizing life into Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia, with additional discussions on viruses, viroids, prions, and lichens. Kingdom Plantae comprises chlorophyll-containing, eukaryotic organisms with cellulose-based cell walls. Examples include algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms, with some exceptions like parasitic plants. Plant life cycles exhibit diploid sporophytic and haploid gametophytic phases, alternating as alternation of generation, varying across plant groups in length and dependency. Animals are multicellular, heterotrophic eukaryotes that digest food internally, store energy as glycogen or fat, and exhibit locomotion with complex structures. Animals utilize holozoic nutrition, follow organized growth patterns with definite structures, and advanced forms exhibit refined sensory and neuromotor features. Sexual reproduction in animals encompasses copulation, gamete fusion, embryonic development, and formation of a mature adult organism. Viruses exist as non-living crystalline forms outside hosts. They parasitize cells to replicate but remain debated in classification as living or non-living. Discovery milestones include Ivanovsky's recognition of mosaic disease, Beijerinck's naming, and Stanley's evidence of viral crystallization, comprising mostly proteins. Viruses consist of genetic material, RNA-DNA but never both, encapsulated in a protein coat, capsid, of geometric design, vital for their protective structure. Viruses specialize in hosts, plants, single-stranded RNA, animals, varied RNA-DNA types, or bacteria, double-stranded DNA bacteriophages. Viruses cause various human illnesses like AIDS and influenza and plant conditions like mosaic formation and stunted growth, affecting agricultural productivity. Viroids are RNA pathogens smaller than viruses, lacking protein coats. Discovered via potato spindle tuber disease, they possess low molecular weight RNA. Prions are abnormally folded infectious proteins causing diseases like mad cow disease, BSE, and Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease in humans, similar in size to viruses. Lichens symbolize mutualism between algae, food synthesis, and fungi, nutrient absorption. They serve as biological pollution indicators, refusing to grow in polluted areas. From Aristotle's morphology-based system to Linnaeus to kingdoms and Whittaker's elaborate five, biological classification reflects evolutionary complexity advancements. Cell type, body organization, nutrition modes, and reproduction are critical criteria in Whittaker's classification, providing a structural framework to study life. Monerans, like bacteria, are prokaryotic, metabolically diverse, and display autotrophic and heterotrophic nutritional strategies, thriving in varied, cosmopolitan environments. Protists are single-celled eukaryotes like dinoflagellates and protozoans, possessing membrane-bound organelles and reproducing through sexual or asexual methods. Fungi thrive saprophytically with varied reproductive strategies, grouping into phycomycetes, ascomycetes, basidiomycetes, and deuteromycetes, catering uniquely to ecosystems. The five kingdoms, Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia, offer a structured approach to understanding life, though certain organisms remain unclassified under this system.